If you have got a 70 series Landcruiser and you are installing a substantial electrical system with big DC-DC chargers, chances are you need to upgrade your alternator. There's plenty of options out there for upgraded alternators, but there is no option out there to actually hook them up properly. So what we have done is we made a kit for an upgraded alternator. It's got everything you need. It's got this fuse holder here and the bracket to mount the fuse holder onto. Then it's got a cable that goes down to the alternator, which you can see on the very bottom here. It goes to the battery positive of the alternator, and then the other side goes directly onto the battery terminal right here. Then you've got a 250 amp mega fuse in there in case you're installing a 250 amp alternator or 240 amp alternator, and that's all you need to do. You take the factory battery positive supply, put heat shrink on it, cable tie it out of the way, run this cable, and your upgraded alternator is installed. That's all you need to do, and it also powers your accessories directly now, because the highest voltage is directly to the battery positive terminal, where you also got things connected like your rear Anderson plug, your DC-DC chargers, and all the rest of it. As simple as that. For more details on this great product, please visit our website perthpro.com.au, and you will find a link in the description or in the bio, depends on where you're watching. Thank you very much.